The Whatafit Resistance Bands Set. A full set of resistance bands for home workouts. This kit includes 5 different bands, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds, which are color-coded, and you can stack them to reach a maximum resistance equivalent of about 150 pounds. It's a versatile setup. Also included are a door anchor, 2 cushioned handles, ankle straps, a travel pouch, and a user manual. Battery-free fitness at your fingertips. Let's talk material and build quality. The bands are made of 100% natural latex, which gives them decent elasticity and durability. The handles have non-slip grip, steel metal buckles for strength, and the set claims wear resistance to snapping or breaking, so long as you use them properly and don't overstretch. Perfect for regular daily use. It's also very portable. The travel pouch makes it easy to carry to gym, park, hotel room, wherever you like to work out. What about price and ratings? It has thousands of reviews and many people seem satisfied with what they get for the money. The set is positioned as good value. Many buyers say you get more than what you pay for, especially if you want a full set. Of course, prices fluctuate. Sometimes deals make it very tempting. What shine and what gripe. I love that you get multiple resistance levels, lots of accessories, and good build for the price. It makes it easy to scale up your exercise intensity over time. The non-slip handles and solid buckles are big pluses. On the flip side, bands made of latex can sometimes have odor or may degrade over time, especially with heavy or repeated use in humid conditions. Also, if you overstretch or twist the bands, risk of damage increases, so proper care is needed. Who is this for? If you work out at home, want portability, maybe travel, or need something compact but effective, this set is ideal. Also good if you are just starting resistance training or want versatility without buying separate equipments. My final thoughts. Overall, the Whatafit Resistance Bands set delivers excellent value. It packs in multiple resistance levels, good build quality, and accessories. For most home users, it will be more than enough. If you push really heavy weights, you may want to double-check the limits, but for everyday strength work, stretching, rehab, etc., this is a solid pick. If you like, I'll drop the buy link in the description box so you can check current price and shipping options. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.